Complete community medical care completed in the community. It was with that goal in mind that the Itabashi Chuo Clinic started off in 1956 with 5 beds. That was the starting point that led to the IMS group. Ever since then, we have constantly worked to provide loving medical treatment and nursing for patients in our community, and to be loved by our patients, and have grown into one of Japan's largest medical groups with 139 facilities. We paved the way to the medical care of the future, providing support for healthier lives for our patients. The mission of the IMS Group lies in those efforts. As a comprehensive medical and welfare services group, the IMS Group operates 139 facilities, providing medical and nursing care, ranging from acute phase and recovery term care to convalescent care, preventive medicine and nursing care, both in facilities and at home. With around 12,600 beds, our facilities handle over 35,000 operations a year, and we have 23,000 employees. As a leader in the field, we support modern medical care in both tangible and intangible ways. The facilities in the IMS Group work in smooth coordination to promote the advancement of medical functions and regional comprehensive care systems, and to deliver safe, reassuring, and high-quality medical care and human services to our patients. We're at the front line of emergency and rescue care, saving lives around the clock. In addition to staff with specialized expertise, we provide medical facilities with state-of-the-art instruments and equipment, and everything else they need. In the convalescent phase, we help patients get home again as soon as possible. Specialized staff provide medical care tailored to the patient's specific situation and what they'll need after they're discharged. For patients in long-term care, we work to stabilize their symptoms and provide the support they need to get back to their everyday lives as soon as possible. In the field of nursing and social services, we provide a full range of services that include geriatric health care, home health care through visiting nurses, and many other services. In addition to these, we're involved in preventive medicine, providing health checkups for company employees, physical examinations, and other services. The IMS General Service Center responds to inquiries from patients and serves as a liaison, bringing members of the community together with medical specialists for consultations. Advanced medical care, specializing in a particular field or disease, ranks as especially important in the medical care provided by the IMS Group. That high-level technology is driven by our constant pursuit of medical care with the patient's comfort in mind. The Da Vinci surgical system for robot-assisted laparoscopic surgeries. These robots perform movements not possible with human hands, reducing the burden on the patient and enabling more reliable treatment in fields such as urology, gastroenterological surgery, and respiratory surgery. Coronary bypass surgery is used to treat angina and myocardial infarction. Breakthrough technologies like off-pump coronary artery bypass surgery cause less physical stress for patients and help speed recovery after surgery. Endoscopic therapy makes it possible to treat only the lesion without making a large incision. State-of-the-art equipment and sophisticated technologies mean safer, more reliable treatment of the spleen, bile duct, and other structures. In radiation treatment, the LINAC can be used to treat more extensive lesions, while the CyberKnife uses a pinpoint beam for focused radiation. Patients now have more treatment options and can choose the best treatment for their particular situation. Treatment done inside blood vessels requires working in microspaces. We have specialists available around the clock who can perform minimally invasive procedures using catheters, providing each individual patient with optimized medical care. We also have related businesses that support the medical care provided by the group. Drawing on our specialized know-how, we provide a full spectrum of medical services relating not just to medical care, but in many different fields. Our clinical testing department provides fast, high-precision testing. As one of the foremost such facilities in Japan, we make a significant contribution on the healthcare front. In the field of nursing and welfare, we provide a broad range of services that include sales and rentals of home healthcare items, visiting nurses, and management of private nursing homes, among others. We also provide services in the field of hospital and facility improvement, including rentals of items for hospitalization, linen leasing, management of stores and cafes, and many others. Our diversified businesses include IT environment refurbishment, as well as consulting involving construction, real estate, and medical equipment acquisitions. We're ready to respond to rapidly changing needs in the healthcare environment. Currently, the fields in which the IIMS Group is active go beyond the borders of Japan, encompassing Asia and broadening out from there to the rest of the world. In response to a growing number of inquiries from overseas, we now provide medical interpreting, as well as support in examinations and treatment at the various facilities in the IIMS Group. We've established a local corporation in Vietnam and are putting an intake system in place. In 2013, we established the IIMS International Medical Agency, which provides support to hospitals in foreign countries and holds staff training programs in Japan. The IMA is also involved in the management of intercommunication and interaction projects and international conferences. The medical care environment is changing from one day to the next. Advanced medicine continues to progress, while regenerative medicine and other new fields hold out high hopes. The challenge of meeting future needs is already underway. At the same time, as Japan moves towards a super-age society, we're providing medical, nursing, and human services in step with the times that integrate medical care and home health care for all generations, from children to the elderly. Ever since our inception, we've been passionate about providing community medical care. Our vision is to bring regional medical care to even higher levels, and to provide comprehensive medical care and welfare services that support people in the community. And we want to continue providing patients with loving care, and to be a medical group that is loved by the people we serve. As we move forward, the IIMS Group continues its commitment to pioneering a healthy future.